Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video I'm going to show you my trade details which I done today, and as a positional trade I was taken some stocks by yesterday. That is nothing but Hindustan Unilever that was taken by yesterday around 64. I was shown on my video last video I was taken. So it is taken by positional, and also today as per our candlesticks pattern that was forming somewhere inside out or a bullish engulfing, so kind of pattern. So today is broken that 2812 and it moves somewhere around 2860. After that it forms a like a shooting star, or it be the inverted hammer kind of pattern. But this candle which we are getting that profit, but we done the trade by yesterday, that is positionally we done, and today I have shared that on my Telegram channel, and the trade which I done 25,000 rupees profit. Sorry, not 25,000 is a profit, because we done this is after my exit, because it is a positional trade where I exited around 110. Now it is trading 70 88, almost 88. So after my selling around 1200 quantity, that is out of 4 lots which I'm holding. Now I sold it around 110. Now it is closed by 88. That is why it's showing you 25,000 rupees from selling entry like that. But this is not a real value where we are making money based on this trade. So, but what we have done, the trade is around 63. Already we are holding somewhere around 90, and we that is exited 1110. And again another lot we added around 64. That is also be exited 11. So here almost 40 points plus 40, almost 50 points, 46 plus 20. Almost we booked around 60 plus points, 66 points. I think the lot size of that is around 300. So this is what my exact profit where I made in Hindustan Unilever. That is called 63 into 300. That is around 19,800. That is my total profit on Hindustan Unilever. With the two quantities, we booked around 40k, almost 40k. We are booking the profit in Hindustan Unilever that I have taken holding. So based on the candlesticks as well as my advanced options trading strategy, that I was taken a position that gives me such a great profit on Hindustan Unilever. But another trade which I done, I booked a loss even intraday itself, and again 27,000 with the two lots. I bought around 100, 49, 50 is my stop loss. That's what this is the trade which I taken positionally. Today itself it triggers my stop loss, but I was not able to manage that position, but I given the stop loss and it was triggered. And here 27,000 rupees we booked a loss on positional trading basis. Simple method. So we are following this with stop loss. If it is stop loss triggers, I get exited out. When I get a target, I will exit it out. So this is my risk reward ratio where I am following that PEL that I was taken. Today it triggers my stop loss. Initially it moves down and again it recovered and ending with the higher level. So that is why no problem. So the stop loss may happen. And the same trade where I taken in intraday, that gives me a target. But positionally I taken the same, but not giving me such a target. I hope you understand what I'm discussing. The same trade I was taken for my intraday as well as positional. My intraday trade gives me a 4,000 rupees profit. My positional trade triggers me somewhere around 50 points. The lot size of 275. So per lot which I lost around 50 into 275. I think 50 into 275 now. Yeah. So 13,700 I booked a lot per lot. So two lots almost 29,000, 28, 27, 27,000 booked a loss in that particular stock. So that was exited. I don't hold any position at right now. But ITC which we are taken on weekly breakout, so that was giving you money. So ITC today, but after taking that position, it was a holding position. So weekly breakout at this level, and after that today it moves good. But even we have another 2 days for this break, but we exited the position. Someone who booked a big profit, someone who make a small profit, but finally that is giving me such a profit on based on the candlesticks pattern. But I focused based on weekly chart and daily chart also. It is moving. So like a hammer or shooting star, when it is broken the high, today it performed very well. So if you are tracking that system on candlesticks pattern, that will give you such a great approach. And other trades, like some trades we are holding in IEX, and no holdings other stocks, like most of the stocks we are exited. That's about, because we are nearing to the expiry. That is why we don't take any new position. Was positionally. Just a sec. The trades based on the candlesticks pattern, that is working well, but as per the today's trade, we lost some money as well as we gained money. And let's see our charting patterns. What are the stocks which forms today? Let's take it out outlook about our candlesticks pattern. Single candlesticks reversal pattern, we get a more stocks because market is up and down and close the same level. So spinning top, hammer, lot of stocks which forms a hammer candles. Shooting star, we don't get it. And doji at bottom, daily Axis Bank, just anyone who want to take that Axis Bank, you can track Axis Bank. And here we don't find any candlesticks pattern. So apart in a single candlesticks pattern, we find out Axis Bank looks good. And double candlesticks pattern, we'll see there is no sale which forms a white inside out of. I think it wasn't ban period, so no problem. So double candlesticks pattern, tips at bottom, Pidilite, no other stocks. Sale, let's say sale, how it is looking like, whether it's good or bad. Inside out, yes, good. Let's say whenever tomorrow's breaks out about 113.3, we can go for, but the stop loss is 7 rupees, the lot size of 9,500, almost 70,000. So don't go for that much of risk. Okay, and again Axis Bank looks good, doji at bottom, then go for searching for that. Just a second. Looks back to triple candlesticks and 3 and multiple candlesticks. So morning star pattern, these are the stocks: Infosys, TCS, Trent. Evening star, we don't get it. And 3 BlackRock, Adani Port, Can Bank, Bandhan Bank, Hero Motor, Chola Finance. So this forming a 3 BlackRock. And morning star pattern, so looking for a buy opportunity in Infosys, TCS, Trent. So let's see TCS. Yeah, good. Let's go for that. Infosys looking good. Morning star 1 2 3 looks good. So if it just breaks that level with a stop loss below almost 100 point, not good. Trent, this also be looks good, but this candle is forming a big, so we should focus above 1000 rupees, 1003. And let's go for a continuation pattern. So this is the stock where we are going to plan a trade by tomorrow. Continuation pattern, Indus Tower, Jubilant Food, McDonald, Nifty, no other continuation pattern. Let's go for a Indus Tower. Yeah, like continuation pattern of separating line, bullish pattern which forms when it is breaks above the level, we can go, or breaks below, we make the stop loss. So mostly because yesterday market fallen down around 250 point, today it recovers almost 175 point. So that gap which is not, we don't get a more stocks. And finally, as a Bollinger Band, we discussed about a Bollinger Band strategy. So let's show you that Bollinger Band breakout pattern, that is stocks, any stocks which forms many stocks: Polycab, Godrej, Adani, G Entertainment, Bank, State Bank of India, and then we have Larsen and Toubro. So these stocks which forms a Bollinger Band pattern. Sorry, this is the 15 minutes Bollinger Band pattern. We have Bollinger Band breakout and daily. We need, yeah. So we have Bajaj Finserv as a Bollinger Band pattern. So let's focus for this stock by tomorrow using our charting pattern. And I hope this may be useful video to you all. Thank you for watching this, and thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and thanks for already subscriber. And thank you again, and keep subscribing and share if you like this video, share to your friends and like the button, hit the like button. Thank you so much.